second stanza of this poem. So in the first stanza we have seen what is poet doing in the first stanza, and the poet is pressing the pillow. He is enjoying the falling of the raindrops on his cottage chamber. Now here you see every tinkle on the singles. Singles here means rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs. Rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs, that is singles. Has an echo in the heart. Echo, that is repeated sound. And 1,000 dreamy fancies. Fancies here first, that is imagination, imaginary thoughts. 1,000 dreamy fancies refers to various imaginary thoughts or fantasies. Weave their air threads into woof. Weave their air threads into woof. It means numerous memories intermingle to form a beautiful picture that the poet recollects. 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So again you see the line. Every tinkle on the singles. Tinkle, as told you, short, light, ringing sound. Every tinkle on the singles. Singles, as I told you, rectangular wooden tiles. Meaning is this: when the raindrop falls on the single, it creates a sound, that is tinkle. This sound has an echo in the heart. Means tinkle refers to the sound that is produced when the raindrop falls on the singles, rectangular wooden tiles. This sound has produced an echo in the heart of the poet. And 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Meaning is this: when the poet hears the tinkle on the singles, it creates an echo in the heart of the poet. After that, the poet is indulged into fantasies or various imaginary thoughts. Meaning is this: when the poet hears the tinkle or sound, it creates an echo in the heart. That sound made poet to start imagining. It makes poet to start imagining some past fancies or fantasies. So 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Simple meaning is this: after listening the sound on the singles, that is tinkle on the singles, there is an echo in the heart of the poet. Then the poet starts remembering some imaginations. He had some fantasies in his mind. So his mind is filled with several thoughts, imaginations, fancies, fantasies, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. Numerous memories starts taking place in the heart of the poet. In other words, we can say what happens when the poet hears the sound of the rain. When the poet hears the sound of the rain, then he started imagining. He started imagining. His mind is filled with several thoughts, imaginations, feelings, emotions. After that, he started recollecting. He started recollecting some past memories after listening the sound on the shingles. As I listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof. In simple words, we can say that when the poet hears the sound on the shingles, it creates an echo in the heart of the poet. After it, the mind of the poet is filled with thousands of imaginations, fantasies, fancies, and memories. Second thing, his mind is also filled with some past memories because 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. So after listening the sound of the rain, what happened? His heart is filled with past memories. His mind is filled with imaginations, feelings, emotions, and all these things starts weaving what? Recollection. He started remembering the past memories. So सेकंड पैराग्राफ में पोएट ये बताता है कि जब वो साउंड टिंकल है, टिंकल एक प्रकार का साउंड है, ये कब प्रोड्यूस होता है? जब रेन ड्रॉप सिंगल पे पड़ती है। जैसे ही पड़ती है सिंगल पे तो एक साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है टिंकल, और ये टिंकल साउंड एक इको प्रेजेंट करता है पोएट के हार्ट में। इसका परिणाम ये होता है कि पोएट खो जाता है, उसके दिमाग में विभिन्न प्रकार की इमेजिनेशन, फैंटेसीज आने लगती हैं और उसका दिमाग व्यस्त हो जाता है इन चीज़ों में, इमेजिनेशन में वो खो जाता है। और आगे पोएट बताता है कि इसका परिणाम ये होता है कि वो पुरानी बातों को, न्यूमरस पास्ट मेमोरीज को याद करना शुरू करता है। कब? जब वो साउंड सुनता है, पैटर साउंड सुनता है। समझिए, दो साउंड की बात यहाँ पे पोएट ने की है, एक टिंकल, एक पैटर। जब टिंकल को सुनता है तो उसका माइंड विभिन्न प्रकार की इमेजिनेशन से, फीलिंग से, इमोशन से भर जाता है, और जब वो पैटर साउंड सुनता है तो वो अपनी पास्ट मेमोरीज को याद करना शुरू करता है। So, in the second stanza, the poet has described the impact of the sound of raindrops on the heart of the poet. In other words, can say this stanza tells us what is the impact of sound of raindrops on the poet's heart. The answer is very clear that the heart of the poet is filled with the several imagination, fancies, and he started recollecting, he started remembering the past memories after listening the sound of the raindrop. ये पूरा क्लियर है कि स्टैंजा हमें बताता है कि क्या परिणाम है जब पोएट साउंड ऑफ रेन ड्रॉप को सुनता है। जैसे ही वो साउंड ऑफ रेन ड्रॉप को सुनता है तो उसकी दिमाग भर जाती हैं विभिन्न प्रकार के इमेजिनेशन से, फीलिंग से, इमोशन से, साथ ही वो अपने पास्ट मेमोरीज को याद करना शुरू कर देता है। Now come to the poetic device used in this stanza. Again, alliteration is present in busy being, their thread, rain roof. And onomatopoeia is present in tinkle, patter. These are the sound made by the raindrops. Tinkle, patter, both are sound made by raindrops. A personification is also present. Recollection is personified when he sees that they weave dreams. Meaning is this: weave their air threads into woof. Here the figure of speech is what? Personification. Their air threads. Personification is there. So हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि अलाइट्रेशन प्रेजेंट है बिजी बीइंग, देयर थ्रेड, रेन रूफ में, और टिंकल और पैटर जो साउंड सजेस्ट साउंड है जो कुछ मीनिंग बता रहा है, तो ओनोमेटोपोइया हो गया। और पर्सोनिफिकेशन है यहाँ पे वीव देयर एयर थ्रेड इनटू वूफ। 1000 रिकलेक्शन वीव देयर एयर थ्रेड इनटू वूफ। ये क्या है? पर्सोनिफिकेशन है।